Well, a couple times each month, we get the chance to learn what OneWorld Community Health Centers offers right here in Omaha.
This month, a chance for the community to give back, a fundraiser to support OneWorld's mission.
And here to preview what's planned, fundraising and events specialist Alexandra Moran. Good to see you,
Hi,
Alexandra.
Alexandra. It's nice to meet you.
Yes, we were
thank you
talking
for
about.
having me.
You bet. We were talking about food last segment. We're going to talk about food somewhat to the extent this time around. This dinner that's coming up. Tell us all about this.
Well, it's going to be next Thursday, November 12th. We start with a silent auction at 5:30, and then we have a dinner and program at 7. We'll have a speaker that night, which I'm really excited for, along with the good food. And her name is Dr. Frances Jensen. She's the author of The Teenage Brain. So if anyone out there has a teenager and they just don't know what to do with them, she is fantastic.
Why did you want her to come in? There must have been something about her message that you thought would really resonate with the guests at the dinner.
Well, we're opening a teen and young adult clinic soon, so we really want to focus on the future. We are celebrating 45 years of making a difference, so with that reflection, we also need to look forward.
And besides the dinner, there's some other special events kind of surrounding this. What do you have?
Well, during the silent auction, we're going to have a special performance by the Violin Sprouts from the Learning Community Center of South Omaha, who is partnered with Omaha Conservatory of Music, and that's their program. So we'll have a performance of little kids playing violins, which is very exciting.
It's sweet. We've had that here on the show, and it's so cute. These kids give it. It's one of those instruments that's, once you get the hang of it, it's great. But as you're first starting out, it can be a little bit tricky, but it's entertaining as all get out. Okay, keep going.
Perfect. And also we'll be giving awards out to those in our community who have really helped OneWorld's patients and donated their time and their services to help the people who need it most.
I'm wondering about the name of the dinner. Where did that come from?
Well, Milagro is actually a Spanish word meaning miracle. So really we're celebrating all of the miracles that our community has brought to our patients and all of the collaboration and partnerships to help build a healthier community.
Yeah, OneWorld, can we back up just a little bit and talk about your mission and what you focus on in the community?
Absolutely. Our mission is to bring quality, affordable health care to the community, but we give special attention to the underserved. So people who are lacking insurance or don't have sufficient insurance, this is a place where they can go to get the services they need, but we also accept people with insurance as well. It's open to everyone. We want to build a healthy future together.
What kind of difference are you making through these programs over the years? But I think recently about how quickly you've grown. So what kind of, as you can sort of stand back and assess it, how are you making a difference in the lives of families here?
Well, we have, in 2014, we've served over 30,000 patients and over 100,000 visits, and that continues to grow from year to year. And one thing that we do is we really focus on the education and prevention aspect of it. One of the most important things about this dinner is that there are a lot of people in our community who hear the word no all the time. And so much so that they start telling themselves that word. Well, I'm having this issue, but most likely I won't get what I need, or I won't be able to get the medications that I need. So it's better to live with that ignorance of what's going on versus going and being told and being powerless and living in that fear of, well, there's nothing I can do. So with this dinner and with the donations from the community and the support from the medical community, all of these tickets, all of these donations are turned into yeses. Yes, we can help you. Yes, we can get that medication. Yes, we can give you the education so you don't have to worry in the future and build healthy futures for yourself, your family, your children. So
yeah, and this dinner, it's a fun event, and there's good food there, but it's also about awareness, and that's one of the main things. One of the main points you want to get out about it, and that's why you're inviting the general public, people that maybe don't know about OneWorld, to come to this dinner. What should they do, and where can they get tickets at?
Absolutely. They can actually go online to our website at
right at the bottom of the screen,
yes,
OneWorld Omaha. Yeah.
OneWorldOmaha.org. And RSVP if they can't make it to the dinner. I know this is a busy time of year. You can give donations. We are always looking for volunteers, so there's lots of ways that they can help.
And you can learn more about those opportunities online as well. Our eyes have really been open, I think, through this series with OneWorld, which started some months back, but where we thought, well, we live in the community, we think we know what it's all about. And then with every visit, different doctors who would come in, different professionals, and say, this is what I do, this is my role within OneWorld, we started to understand just how comprehensive you are and how many areas of the city you're reaching. But for now, we want you to know about the dinner. It's on Thursday, November 12th. Tickets are still available for it. You're welcome to go and learn more online at oneworldomaha.org.
Thanks for coming in.
Thank
Good to see
you. It's
yeah.
nice to meet you,
And
Alexandra.
good luck with the dinner.
Well, today is